they use? What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take your manual tubing bender and make it hydraulic using the Swag Offroad Ram Mount. Here's everything that comes in the kit. So it's from Swag Offroad and it's the air hydraulic ram mount. And mine's unwelded because it's for the Model 32. So I have to weld all these seams and then weld this and these brackets onto this. And these brackets here, they weld onto here. And it's nice, they got nice cutouts and everything, so everything goes in the right place and you can't mess it up. Okay, I didn't film this part because it was just lots of hammering and it was pretty noisy. So I just pressed this tube into these two brackets and then now it sits on there. Just gotta weld that up now. Alright, everything's welded up. Just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and cool off. And then I'll continue on putting it together. So you gotta take this bolt out to get the manual arm off. And then we'll put the new one right here. Alright, so I got the Swag mount bolted on. Took the manual one off here. So there's the old manual setup right there. This was a pain to do by myself because I had to take this whole tubing bender off the mount, take the manual thing off, and then bolt this in. And I finally got this in right to where it'll rotate. So take these two bolts out, take these tubes out and put them in the new brackets and get that bolted on. And two. Alright, so I had to press these tubes into the bracket. I didn't film it just because it's such a pain to do. So it's all on there now, bolted on. Alright, so this is just the hydraulic ram from Harbor Freight. It's actually the one that Swag Offroad recommends to use with their bender. So I thought, why not get the one that they say works? Okay, so this is where the ram sits inside the mount. So let me get the other bracket piece that goes right here and bolt it down. Okay, everything's set up. Got the ram in the mount. Got these brackets all set up. The ram in there. So you want to have the ram centered. So you use this little stopper to hold this centered. Because the weight of the ram over here pulling down makes this come up over here. So I'm just using some super cheap tubing I got from Home Depot. Just so I can get this thing set up without wasting good material. So I already loaded the tubing in here. And then I set the angle at 0. And I'm gonna do like a quick 40-45 degree bend real fast. Hook up your air line to this right here. And then here's your trigger, and here we go. Alright, so the compressor got really loud, so I just turned off the camera. But retracted the bender. Got the bend set right at 45. So now we can take this out, pull the pin out of here, remove that, and there is the bend. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Just want to make a quick video on setting up the ram mount, getting everything going. So now I can bend tube by myself and not have to have help holding the bender down. There we go.